Hello my friend, today I will show you a video on applying a temporary tattoo in the form of candy. We will apply it into the inner surface of the thigh. This tattoo is very beautiful and stylish. Here is a brief instruction for application. Decide where you want to apply the tattoo. Make sure your skin is clean, free and dry. Cut the tattoo out as close to the edge as possible. Remove the clearance sheet and place your tattoo on your skin face down. Wet the paper with a wet sponge and wait 30 seconds. Carefully remove the paper to check if it has transferred. If not, press a little longer. Be sure not to twist or stretch your skin until the tattoo has had time to set.